Ultima Poseidon M20. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you'll find your Ultima Poseidon M20 accessory pack. Here is a user manual and some accessories along with our all-in-one soundbar. First, let's get to know the soundbar. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of the TV. On the back, you will find 5 ports. Now let's connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. Press the power/standby button on the remote control to turn on the power. You will see the indicator light flash green 3 times. The soundbar is now powered on. Alright, it's time to connect your TV. This video will show 3 common connections. Firstly, connect to your TV via optical output. Remember to remove the protective cap from both ends. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the soundbar. Press the OPT button on the remote control to select the OPT input. The soundbar's indicator light will turn purple. For the TV and the video, follow these steps. Settings, sound output, optical. Secondly, we will show the AUX connection. Plug the straight end of the AUX cable into the AUX out port of the TV. Insert the angled end of the AUX cable into the soundbar. Select the AUX mode via the AUX button on the remote control. The soundbar's indicator light will turn green. Note, if you want to switch to another mode, please remember to unplug the AUX cable from the TV and soundbar. Prefer wireless? Here's how to connect via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control. The soundbar's indicator light will turn blue and will keep blinking until pairing is complete. Open your smartphone's Bluetooth settings and select the name Poseidon M20 to connect the soundbar. If your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly. Here's a tutorial on how to debug the TV's Bluetooth connection. Taking the TV and the video as an example, go to Settings, Arrow Sound Output, Arrow Bluetooth. Choose the name Ultima Poseidon M20 to connect the soundbar. When you see the indicator light turn solid blue, it means the Bluetooth connection is successful. Sometimes you may follow the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry, this usually requires a TV setup change. Go to your TV's settings, sound expert settings, digital output, and select the audio format PCM. Different TVS may have different setup steps, but normally you would go to settings, sound, and then select digital audio format PCM.